let's deal with the roots once and for all. To extract the root, you have to think about what you need to multiply by itself to get, for example, 16. That, of course, is 4. To extract the root from a fraction, you have to take the root from the numerator and the denominator. Here we got 6 and here we got 7. To extract the root from a number with a lot of zeros, you drop the zeros and take the root of 64, and you get 8. Then count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And reduce a number by 2. The answer is ready. And one more time, drop all the zeros, extract the root from 81, we got 9. Then count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reduce their number by 2, and this leaves us 3 zeros. The answer is ready. To extract the root of a decimal fraction, we count the number of decimal places. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decrease this number by half. This leaves us 3 places. Now drop the zeros and extract the root of 121. And this is 11. And since we already have 2 digits, we'll leave just one more zero. To extract the root of this number, we count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decrease their number by half, and it leaves us 3. Then extract the root of 25, and this is 5. And fill empty boxes with zeros. The answer is ready. Now a question for you. What is the square root of this number?